In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Calendly link in just 5 minutes. Calendly is a fantastic tool for scheduling meetings, allowing others to pick times that sync with your availability. Now let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to calendly.com. It's a user-friendly platform designed to simplify the scheduling process, and starting at their homepage is the best way to dive in. Once you're on their homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the option to log in. Click on login, as accessing your account is the next essential step. If you don't yet have an account, you may have to sign up first, but today we're focusing on those who already have accounts. Next, after clicking login, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Go ahead and type in the email associated with your Calendly account and click continue. This will prompt you to the next step where you'll need to enter your password. Make sure that your password is strong to ensure your account's security, but also something you can remember. Now that you're logged in, you'll want to head back to the Calendly homepage. Here, you'll find a series of tools and options that will help you create, edit, and manage your scheduling links. On this page, direct your attention to the top right corner again, and click on your profile icon. This is where you'll find most of the personal and customizable features of Calendly. After clicking your profile icon, you'll see an option labeled My Link. This is where we start tailoring the link that you'll be sharing with others to set up meetings. Clicking on My Link will bring you to a page where you can customize this URL. Remember, a personalized link can help represent your brand and make it easier for attendees to recall it. After you've customized your link, make sure to click on Save Changes. It's crucial that you don't skip this step so that your customization takes effect. Now your personalized Calendly link is ready to share. That's it. In just a few minutes, you've gone from opening the Calendly website to creating a tailor-made scheduling link. This link is now ready to be shared with your colleagues, clients, or anyone you'd like to schedule meetings with. It's a simple way to streamline your scheduling and make the overall process much more efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made things clearer. Happy scheduling!